Welcome to CPAPmachines.ca. Today we'll be doing an unboxing on the new Lumin UV sanitizing unit. Let's open it up. Once you open it up, you'll be able to find two items. One is our coupon for your next purchase. The other one is your invoice with a paid stamp on it. You can send this invoice to your insurance company and get a reimbursement. You'll find another box inside this box. Simply take it out, and this is your new Lumin unit. You'll see a simple user's guide. The Lumin light bulb inserted inside the machine. And you'll see the UV sanitizer over here. All you need to do is insert the light bulb inside and it will work. For more information and to shop more, visit CPAPmachines.ca.